Hi my dear students, today we are going to learn about time and we are going to find the duration, start time and the finish time. So let's move on to the first example. The concert started at 19 hours. It finished at 21 hours. How many hours are there between the start and finish times? They are asking how many hours are there between the start and finish times, which means they ask for the duration. Look at the question again. We know the starting time, that is 19 hours. So starting time is 19 hours. And we know the finish time, that is 21 hours. So the finish time is 21 hours. We want to find the duration. We are going to find the duration, the time between the start and the finish time. To do that, we should subtract the start time from the finish time. So you know finish time is a later time and start time is an earlier time. So to find the duration, we should subtract the start time from the finish time. So here the duration is 21 hours minus 19 hours. So the answer is 2 hours. Now let's move on to the second example. The movie started at 10 hours and lasted for 1 hour and 40 minutes. At what time did it finish? So here they are asking the finishing time. Let's see again. We know the starting time, that is 10, and lasted for 1 hour and 40 minutes, which means the duration is 1 hour and 40 minutes. So we know the starting time, we know the duration. They ask us to find the finish time. So finish time is a later time. To find a later time, we should add the start time and the duration. We should add the start time and the duration. So now the start time is 10, duration is 140. When we add them together, the answer is 1140. Let's move on to the third example. Jim and Jane finished their computer game at 10:50. They played it for 30 minutes. When did they start it? Now they are asking the starting time. Let's see again. Finish time is given, that is 10:50. And they played it for 30 minutes, which means the duration is 30 minutes. So now we know the finish time, we know the duration, and they are asking for the start time. So start time is an earlier time. To find an earlier time, we should always subtract. So from the finish time, subtract the duration. Then you can find the start time. So our finish time is 10:50 and the duration is 30 minutes. So when we subtract 30 minutes from 10:50, the answer is 10:20. Okay, let's see the summary now. If we want to find the duration, subtract start time from the finish time. If you want to find the finish time, add the start time and the duration. Finish time is a later time. To find a later time, we always add. To find a start time, we should subtract the duration from the finish time. Start time is always an earlier time. To find an earlier time, you should subtract the duration from the finish time. I hope you understood the lesson and let's move on to the exercises.